Information questions with B. Are you at the airport? When is your flight? What is your flight number? Where is the gate? Why is it late? Let's look at these questions. The first question, are you at the airport, is a yes-no question. You know how to make yes-no questions. The other questions are information questions because the answer to these questions is not yes or no, it's more information. Notice that all of these questions begin with a question word. When, what, where, and why. First, remember yes-no questions with B. Is he a child? Yes, he is. Is he alone? Yes, he is. Is he lost? Yes, he is. All of these questions begin with the verb be and then the subject. Let's say we want more information about this boy. We want to ask information questions. We put a question word before the yes-no question to form an information question. Who is he? Where is he? Why is he lost? Notice all of the question words. Let's look at how to form information questions, but let's begin with a yes-no question. Is she a lawyer? Yes, she is. To form information questions, put the question word in front. Who, what, where, why, when, and how are some question words that we are going to use to make questions about this woman. We start with a question word out in front, and all of these questions will have the verb be in the form of is because we are asking about this woman. Okay, let's try. Who is she? She's Victoria. What is her last name? Jones, Victoria Jones. Where is she? She is at the courthouse. Why is she at the courthouse? She has a meeting. When is her meeting? It is at 11 a.m. How? How is Victoria? How is Victoria? She is busy, but she is fine. So now you see, to make an information question word goes first, then the be verb, and then the subject. And the subject could be a pronoun, like you, he, or they, or the subject could be a name, like Bob, or a noun, like a dog or books. Let's practice. What are the questions? You have the answers. They are nurses, they are at the hospital, and they work there. So you need a question word, a be verb, and then the rest of the information. Are you ready for the answers? Okay. Who are they? They are nurses. You could also ask what are they if you were focusing on the job. Where are they? They are at the hospital. Why are they there? They work there. Okay? Let's try another. What are the questions? The answers are, it's a sequoia tree, it's 230 feet tall, it's over 2,000 years old. Remember, start with a question word, and also remember you can use the question word how and an adjective to ask a question. Okay, ready? What is it? It's a sequoia tree. How tall is it? It's 230 feet tall. How old is it? It is over 2,000 years old. In this lesson, you learned to form an information question with the be verb, put the question word in front. Where are you? I'm at the airport. Where is the question word? When is your flight? It's at 4:15. And when is the question word here? Are you at the airport?